AUD USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about AUD against dollars. So this analysis can also be used for NZD USD because I don't record separate videos for NZD USD. Okay, so use this AUD USD analysis if you want to trade NZD USD as well. Now before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. And below the video, you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So click here and join Telegram. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. So go and sign up with these brokers. I want you to have a separate account to trade with my signals in that account. So my signals in a separate account, and we'll talk about this in Telegram. So subscribe, like, all of that. And let's get back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. So weekly on Wednesday, I told you that we will continue going up. That's exactly what has happened. Okay, so yeah, let's cut the crap. So on Wednesday, I told you that week will end blue. That's what exactly has happened. If you want to know why, then go and watch my Wednesday's video. Coming back to Delhi now, in Delhi, we have taken a pullback maybe. Okay, so we made a new high, as you can see, new high, and then the red candle on Friday. So we are looking for longs in 4 hour. Okay, so our entry in AUD and NZD should be 4 hour entry. Now here we have the nice setup. Okay, quite clear it's a free money. Okay, so you can see the long wick. So buyers came into the market in last candle on Friday in 4 hour. Okay, huge rejection from the EMI. It's evident that we are going up. Okay, so either you can take long as soon the market opens or on Monday, or wait for another blue candle for the confirmation. Okay, this long wick has rejected the EMA. So next 4 hour candle will be blue eating this red candle, and that is your perfect entry to go long. Okay, if you are experienced, if you want to enter after the market opens, you can do so, I think. But if you want to be on the safer side, then just wait for the blue candle to eat this candle and then enter long and then take your profits here. Okay, that's your free trade. The same thing for NZD USD. This long rejection is clearly evident that we're gonna go up. Okay, so either wait for the blue candle, then enter your position and then take profit here, or else just enter when the market opens after 1 hour anyways. So that's what I have for you in AUD and NZD. So if you like what you see, it's a free trade, free money. Okay, so on the table right here, just go and take it. So if you like what you see, subscribe, like, and join Telegram. Check out the brokers. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.